are these people?
Jessica Corbett, another Indie Media Award honoree from Common Dreams, also 2022 honoree for Best Outlet, although they have gone really shit-libby and TDS-y lately. This was a good article and I wanted to bring it. They also had a Jake Johnson article about upward mobility, upward wealth transfer of $2 trillion last year. All right, where they got $2 trillion wealthier, the wealthiest. But this one, a pattern of genocide. Of course, we know, but here's another report detailing Israel's systematic destruction of the Gaza health system specifically. And this is also, by the way, what they're doing, what they did in Lebanon, and what they're probably now going to do in Syria, which is attack all the healthcare workers and the doctors so they can't help the sick. And the entire country ends up breaking down into squalor. So this is a new report from called The Systematic Destruction of Gaza's Healthcare System, a Pattern of Genocide. Builds on previous publications, including from UN entities and testimonies from medical professionals who've worked in Gaza since Israel launched October 7th, in the wake of October 7th, their retaliation, quote unquote. No, it's their massacre that they used October 7th as an excuse for 16 months to kill women and children every day and drop U.S. bombs. All right. Just disgraceful. The report argues that Israel's systematic campaign against Gaza's healthcare infrastructure as a whole is exemplified by the targeted destruction of Al-Shifa Hospital, which is the largest hospital in the occupied Palestinian territory and, quote, older than Israel itself. It also addresses all the other hospital attacks that happened, as well as on healthcare workers, ambulances, aid relief workers, and on the aid trucks that were coming in that had medical supplies. The fact that there was no anesthesia left to operate, that certain people were left to operate on their children without anesthesia, should never be forgotten and allowed to be forgiven, ever. That's that segment right there. So we definitely don't get monetized for stuff like that. So if you are able to and of means, we could really use your support. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. If not, share the stream, tell your friends. The way that you can support this network financially the best and leave us a tip would be to give us a Cash App that takes no fees or very minimal fees whatsoever. Ko-fi takes almost no fees whatsoever. PayPal is small. And then you could also subscribe to the INN newsletter. That uses Stripe, and we talked about Stripe last week. I'd prefer that we not use Stripe if we didn't have to. But whatever you guys are, whatever everyone is willing to do, guys, ladies, everyone, for real, thank you. Really appreciate all the support we could possibly get.
Can't keep giving us nothing and think we're bluffing about coming for your heads. Why play civil if you won't listen to 50,000 dead? And now we know our mission, we form a militia, make Congress a prison.